The Uganda Reptile Village in Entebbe was established in 2002 by Yasin Kazibwe, a reptile expert who has rescued over 40 different species of snakes. The place is one of the fun and exciting places to visit while on a safari in Uganda. Located 28 kilometers along Kampala-Entebbe Road, the Uganda Reptile Village was established to sensitize and educate the community about the importance of wildlife, how to protect and conserve them, and their importance to the future generation. Also educates about the importance of many other natural resources such as swamps, forests, and water bodies, which are important in saving these threatened reptiles. In this episode of Reptiles in Captivity, we are going to take you through some of the major reptiles kept in the Uganda Reptile Village. The African rock python. These are the largest species of snake in Africa. They live in grasslands and savanna near water and occasionally in forest edges in sub-Saharan Africa. Rock pythons are non-venomous. They kill prey by suffocating it, squeezing it in between their coils. The python species is highly dependent on water. It often submerges itself near the banks of a stream and waits for prey. Rock pythons are dormant during the dry season. When they are young, African rock pythons prey on small rodents and birds. As they grow to adult size, they prey on larger animals, including small antelopes, warthogs, dogs, monkeys, waterfowl, goats, and crocodiles. The females lay up to 100 eggs and defend them aggressively. Their incubation is 2 to 3 months. Hatchlings 18 to 24 inches long, and their lifespan is up to 30 years in captivity. Spitting cobra. A spitting cobra is one of several species of cobras that can defensively spray a toxic secretion from their fangs. This secretion functions as a venom. Although not generally fatal on contact, can cause permanent blindness if it gets into the eye, and scarring if left untreated. Despite their name, these snakes don't actually spit their venom. Herpetologists and scientists face an extra challenge when it comes to collecting spitting cobra venom. These snakes are a double threat. Not only can they inject venom through a painful bite, they can also spit their toxins a distance of 2 to 3 meters. The forest cobra. Commonly called the black cobra and the black and white-lipped cobra, it is a species of venomous snakes in the family Elapidae. The species is a native to Africa, mostly the central and western parts of the continent. It is the largest true cobra species with a record of length 3.2 meters. The forest cobra is an agile, genus species that climbs well and is one of the most aquatic of the true cobras in the genus Naja. It is terrestrial, but it is a fast, graceful climber known to ascend trees to a height of 10 meters or more. It is quick moving and alert. It swims well and readily takes to the water. In some areas, its main diet is fish and could be regarded as semi-aquatic. In the summer, females will lay between 11 and 26 smooth white eggs, each roughly 3 to 6 centimeters. This species is alert, nervous, and is considered to be a medically significant snake. The green tree snake. Agile and slender, this non-venomous snake can grow up to 2 meters but is usually a little over 1 meter. Its color ranges from green to yellowish green, brownish green, black, even blue in a rare form. Its belly and neck are generally yellow. Since they have no fangs and venom, the green tree snakes are very reluctant to bite and would rather slither away. If provoked, a green tree snake will rise up, inflate its throat and body, and make a stink from its anal glands. This type of snake is essentially harmless to humans. It will defend itself by producing a horrible odor. However, the green snake in the wild will make a quick escape when it feels threatened. The Nile monitor lizard. Locally known as enswaswa, the Nile monitor lizard is also known as Varanus niloticus, and it is a hefty reptile with a famous name as a water monitor. The Nile monitor is the longest lizard in the African continent, and it has a length of about 2 meters, and the tail is half its body. It is commonly sighted wandering around the water, especially in the riverine undergrowth. It is a flexible predator that is able to swim, climb, and run with ease. It likes feasting on small mammals and insects using flicking tongues. Its prey by scent. Its tail can grow more than 1 meter long, and it acts as a counter when it is racing, and a skull to assist it traverse through water, and the same tail can help it whip in self-defense. Contrary to previous beliefs, most lizards do possess glands that secrete venom. While the monitor lizard uses its venom to kill its small prey, it has a relatively mild effect on humans. Chameleon. Chameleons are a distinctive and highly specialized clade of old world lizards with 200 species described as of June 2015. The members of this family are best known for their distinct range of colors, being capable of shifting to different hues and degrees of brightness. These colorful lizards are known for their ability to change color, their long sticky tongue, and their eyes, which can be moved independently of each other. Chameleons' long elastic tongues are one of the fastest muscles in the animal kingdom, extending more than twice their body length and packing 14,000 watts of power per kilo. But it is the smallest species that strike fastest. The water tortoise. Like other turtles, tortoises have a shell to protect from predation and other threats. The shell in tortoises is generally hard, and like other members of the suborder Cryptodira, they retract their necks and heads directly backwards into the shell to protect them. Tortoises generally have one of the longest lifespans in any animal, and some individuals are known to have lived longer than 150 years. Because of this, they symbolize longevity in some cultures, such as the Chinese culture. The number of concentric rings on the carapace, much like the cross-section of a tree, can sometimes give a clue on how old the animal is. But since the growth depends highly on the accessibility of food and water, a tortoise that has access to plenty of forage with no seasonal variation will have no noticeable rings. Moreover, some tortoises grow more than 1 ring per season, and in some others, due to wear, some rings are no longer visible. Crocodiles. Crocodiles are one of the most well-known and fearsome animals in the world and are considered apex predators. Their powerful bodies, strong jaws, and immense speed and agility, along with their unparalleled stealth, have led to them being one of the world's top predators in their natural environments. This reptile is known for its extreme aggression and thick scaly skin. It also has a remarkable ability to clamp down powerfully with its jaws for lengthy periods of time. Its favorite hangouts include lakes, rivers, and swamps, and it can generally be found in African regions south of the Sahara and parts of the Madagascar. Crocodiles capture water animals in their jaws with a sideways movement of the muzzle. They have sensitive pressure receptors located in pits in the scales around the mouth that detect motion. These structures assist in the capture of prey in dark or murky water. To catch land animals, a crocodile floats passively or remains motionless at the edge of the water where prey habitually drink. With a sudden lunge, it seizes an unsuspecting animal and drowns it. If the prey is large, a crocodile may grip portions of the victim in its jaws and rotate rapidly in the water to tear the prey apart. Well, that's all we had for you today. See you in the next episode of Plants of Hope, where we'll take you through plants that are very important to you but you may not have known before. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Egos TV, EGIOS TV, for more updates and adventurous stories.